shuttle into launch position. Stay seated at all times. You can no longer board the space shuttle at this time. Checking for launch status. Interplanetary test conductor. Check. Tank and booster conductor. Check. Internal energy core conductor. Check. Autopilot flight director. Check. Life support systems. Check. Launch processing systems. Check. Safety console coordinator. Check. Weather is nominal. The space shuttle launch status is go. Proceed to launch in T-minus 20 seconds. 8. Go to the main engine start. 6. 5. 4. 3. T plus 10 seconds. All systems nominal. Launch successful. All remaining personnel are to evacuate to other remaining evacuation points immediately. Warning, reactor core chamber temperatures extremely low, unable to connect with reactor core systems. Complete core chamber containment seal success. Alert, a complete facility-wide blackout has occurred. Please continue to follow evacuation procedures and stay with security officers at all times. Security danger. Multiple high-level containment breaches detected in sub-level 2. Containment area. Turret defense systems online. All remaining personnel in sub-level 2 are to evacuate to your nearest evacuation shelter immediately. All elevators have been locked down to ensure the safety of the upper areas of the facility. Alert! An executive override of the code red evacuation order has been issued by Head of Science, Dr. Friedman. Primary evacuation zone. Emergency bunker is now deemed ineffective. Repeat, the emergency bunker is now ineffective. All evacuation routes are now redirected to topside, atmospheric and space research and technology, space shuttle secondary evacuation zone. Override reason, complete implosion of the reactor core has occurred and a black hole formation has been reported. Extreme hazard warning, containment seal unable to contain the black hole for long. Please evacuate the facility immediately. Attention, a distress signal has been issued by Head of Science, Dr. Friedman. The facility is under threat of an immediate disaster scenario. Anonymous Materials Relief Task Force Unit, Kappa 9 has entered the facility. All remaining facility personnel are to assist the unit in securing the facility from the anonymous disaster event. Hazardous environments warning. Reactor containment seal breach detected in reactor control. A containment seal breach is now in progress. Evacuate area immediately. An automatic complete facility-wide lockdown has been activated. Hazardous environments warning. The containment seal breach has penetrated the facility ventilation system. Extreme sub-zero temperature conditions detected. All sectors. At 3:47 p.m., a national state of emergency was declared by the Prime Minister of Japan. Executive orders for the complete evacuation of the Kagoshima Prefecture has been issued. Separate entities, Innovation Incorporated Thermal Power Plant will continue its own facility evacuations. Do not leave the facility compound. Extreme danger. Reactor chamber containment seal structural integrity critical. 4, 3, 2,